Okay, so I want to show you how bad my soap scum is on the shower. We're going to try something different and then we'll come back to see what it all looks like. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Angie and I am a professional house cleaner. I've been in this industry for the last 12 years, but today we're going to be working on my shower glass doors again. In a previous video, I tried 2 different cleaners on my shower glass doors to see if it would get the soap scum off. If you want to watch that video, I'll link it somewhere up here for you to watch. Today we are going to be using Bars Keeper's Friend. We're going to see if this product can take all of the soap scum off these shower doors. I'm going to leave this product sit for 10 minutes and then I'm going to take the Scrub Mommy and I'm just going to spread the product around just so it can work a little bit better and more efficient. And I'm actually going to let the product work for itself. I'm not going to do a lot of scrubbing on my shower glass doors. So we're going to see how the product actually works on the shower glass doors. With that said, let's get started. So I am spraying Bars Keeper's Friend all over the glass doors. I am getting it saturated all over the glass doors so that way it starts to work for itself, and then I'll let it sit for 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. I'm going to take the Scrub Mommy and I'm going to start working it, spreading the product all over my glass doors. Scrub Mommy is a non-scratch pad, so that's why I'm choosing to use it. Actually, I kind of like Scrub Mommy. I never used it, but right now I am just trying to spread the product all over my shower glass doors evenly so that way the product can work for itself. It's important to make sure you're rinsing the product off of the shower glass doors because this product can leave a residue, and so you want to make sure that you're getting the glass nice and clean and rinsed so you don't have that residue left behind. I like to use a squeegee to get all of the excess water off. So that's what I'm doing right now, and then I will dry it with rags. After I squeegee, I like to use a blue microfiber cloth to go over the shower glass doors to help dry it and to make sure that there was no residue left behind from the cleaning product and help shine the doors up. As you can see, the Bars Keeper's Friend did not get all of the soap scum off of my shower glass doors, but like I said before, my shower glass doors are pretty bad. So a little tip for you for your shower glass doors to help prevent some of the soap scum that gets on to these shower glass doors is Rain-X. So this is generally for cars, for the windshields of the cars, but it also works great for your shower glass doors. So I'm going to apply this to my shower glass door, but make sure that any products that you use on the shower glass door, you get it off pretty good. And I like to dry my my shower glass doors and then apply this stuff. So let me show you how I apply it.
Well, we're going to be using paper towels with the Rain-X. We're going to be applying it to the shower glass.
You can either spray the Rain-X directly onto the glass doors, or you can spray it on the paper towel and wipe it all over the glass doors. You can do all of your glass doors. I'm just doing partial, just to show you what I do after I clean the shower glass doors.
Okay guys, there you have it. We went back over my shower glass doors. Again, I haven't touched these shower glass doors since the last time I did a video on them. So I have tried other products on my shower glass doors. If you haven't watched that, go watch them and see what your thoughts are on that. I wanted to try Bars Keeper's Friend today to see if it would tackle the tough soap scum on my shower glass doors. It did a better job than most, so I'll give my honest opinion. I do like Bars Keeper's Friend, but my shower glass doors are very bad, so I may have to go over them multiple times, and it depends on how bad your shower glass doors are as well. You may need to go over them multiple times as well to get all of that soap scum off of it. And once you do, you can use the Rain-X. That will help prevent the soap scum on your shower glass doors. So I hope this video helped you make a decision on if you want to try Bars Keeper's Friend or not, and try the Rain-X as well. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe if you haven't. Leave me a comment. Do you use Bars Keepers? What do you use on your shower glass doors? Have you ever used Rain-X? Let me know. I would love to know all of that. And until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video.